in the actual official catching of the butterflies. See, it can be a mother.
Okay.
It can be a mother and daughter.
There's a contest
Yes.
kung sino man ang pinakamaraming butterfly now.
Yes.
Oh my God, I'm excited.
So, Audrey, what do you think about this iButterfly app?
Ang saya, it's so much fun, and the nice thing is you can actually get something out of it while having fun. So whether it's you or the kids, it's perfect entertainment and value for entertainment, diba?
Very good. Mika, how about you? Have you been able to catch a couple of butterflies already?
Actually, my daughter got a butterfly with video on it, so I think she wins a prize. I think you have to catch the butterflies that have logos of the different partners.
How about you, Jenny? I'm sure Jenny is very active. Talagang alisto yan manghuli.
Active na active.
Active na active.
So, for the last 2 minutes, naka-14 na ulit. 14 lang.
14 lang? Grabe. Parang pati sa CR, umikot ka na dyan. Pumunta ka na sa,
14?
pumunta ka na sa church, dito sa Mega Mall. Ayan. Ariana, how's your butterfly catching been?
Definitely very addicting. It's like everything's so easy to catch, and it's not like it's a challenge. And at the end, you always get good benefits from anywhere.
Yan, totoong accent yan.
Hindi yung put on ha.
Hindi
Oh.
ko doon. Ako naman, I can't see with my lashes.
Hindi mo makita yung mga butterfly.
Wala ako mag-download kasi parang nag-loading pa.
Hanapin mo daw yung
I'm
wifi.
just gonna get Jenny's. Pwede ba yan?
We'll share.
Yes.
Because Jenny's
Okay.
is not about loving.
So now, with our special guests, we will officially start the butterfly catching. Everybody, let's leave the countdown. In 3, in 2, in 1, let's catch some butterflies! Okay, and now the special announcement is, the first 3 people to come on stage that have caught 5 different butterflies will win a Canon Power Shot at 8. Wait, let me check. Okay, let's check with our DTI representative and our Sisip Gores and Velayo.